Hey everyone, in this episode of Travel Odysseys, we're going to demonstrate how to use bear spray. And this is something that you really need if you're going to be hiking in areas where there's a lot of bear activity, whether it's grizzly bears or black bears. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Give the video a huge thumbs up, and in the comment section below, put in the hashtag TravelRocks. Your support is greatly appreciated. You will need bear spray whenever you are hiking or are camping in areas with a lot of bear activity. Now this counter-assault pepper spray, which is specifically designed for bears, was purchased from an Army-Navy store just outside Glacier National Park for $45. After we arrived here, we learned that you can simply rent the pepper sprays. So, if you're vacationing someplace, it's probably more economical to simply rent it and then return it. You only pay for it if you actually have to use it. Another thing to consider is you don't want to have this in your backpack. This does come with a belt hook right here, so it's a good idea to hook it on your belt, because if it's in your backpack and you do have a bear encounter, you're not going to have time to fish out of your backpack to actually use it. Alright, now we're going to do a quick demo of how to actually use the counter-assault pepper spray. These things are pressurized, so you don't want it sitting around in a hot car, and probably not a good idea to have it in your checked-in luggage. Alright, so the nozzle that the pepper spray actually comes out of is right here. So right now I have the safety on, so there is no danger to our filmographer, but the pepper spray will emerge from this hole right here. So whatever you do, when you spray it, make certain that you're spraying in the right direction. Alright? This white tab right here is the safety. So if you have to use this, quickly take off the safety. Just snap it right off. You aim in the direction of the bear, and you're going to aim at its snout, its face. You want it getting into its eyes, into its nose, into its mucous membranes. You aim it at the bear, and you press down on the trigger like so. That will probably make most bears back off very quickly. Now basically what we just did was spray cayenne pepper directly into the bear's muzzle, into its eyes, into its nostrils, into its mucous membranes, and that creates a very uncomfortable situation for the bear, which will inspire it to go ahead and back off from you, the hiker, the camper. Thank you for watching this episode of Travel Odysseys. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comment section below, put in the hashtag TravelRocks. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Travel Odysseys.